যে আমার নামে এবং আমাদের পার্টির আরও দুজন নেতার বিরুদ্ধে যে মন্ত্রী রতনলাল নাথের তার নির্দেশে বা তার ইন্ধনে বিজেপি দলের তরফ থেকে এফআইআর করা হয়েছে। তো সেই এফআইআর তার কানেকশানেই আজকে একটা ইনভেস্টিগেশনের জন্য ডাকা হয়েছে। এই জন্য এসছি পুলিশকে সহযোগিতা করার জন্য, এবং তারা যা যা জানতে চেয়েছেন তা বলেছি যে আমার এই ফেসবুক পোস্ট কী উদ্দেশ্য ছিল, তার কী বক্তব্য ছিল, এটাই।
So do you feel cases was filed just to harass the CPIM leaders?
Yes, definitely. Because the post was a very simple, nothing, it is nothing, any instigation, any other. It is just a reaction of the recent trend in the Facebook. That in our state of Tripura, even a senior most minister, Narendra Chandra Dev Burma, publicly he is committing that there is no existence of law and order, rule of law and the rule of the constitution, it is totally over. So on that there are so many complaints, and day in day out the people of cross section, none is left, doctor, nurses, police officers with uniform, media person, everybody attacked. So that trend of this shares means democracy shares khatam. So I just shared and appeal the people, fight back, রুখে দাঁড়ান, এবং এই শক্তি দুর্বল হচ্ছে, এই শক্তিকে ফিনিশ করুন। So that was the simple. It is not against any particular, any political party or individual. It is against the culprit, against the force of the that is anti-social, against the force who are committing crime against the constitution. So that was nothing. But very unfortunately, one senior minister, that minister they're supposed to protect, it was common to him. From the secretariat himself, he's instigating, directing, will that is do this against the CPM leader, and being provoked by that minister, that mastermind, this affair has been lost. This is the thing.